I'm a safety and training specialist, and I'm responsible for training a lot of our employees. So we came here today to get a much broader, better training program to deliver to our people.
JLG's Train the Trainer program from a safety perspective is, I think, a great example of what training should be. Our classes are longer than some of the others in the industry, and I think they need to be, because there's a lot of nuances to operating the machines, understanding fall protection, identifying hazards. There's a lot of safety elements we cover in the class and then reinforced during hands-on, that people come away with a much higher sense of what it takes to operate safely and convey that to their operators as well.
I wanted to take a boom service class because of the fact that a lot of our customers do have boom lifts along with their scissors lifts, and I'm not certified to work on them. So with this, I can better help my customers and do the annual inspections.
Our boom service program is, one of the unique features of that is some of the troubleshooting the students experience during the class. We mine data from the call center, so we know what kind of issues the techs face in the field, and we use that data to develop pretty complex bugs for them to find in the machines.
Attending this class teaches me the right way of using the equipment, and I could pass that on to my employees.
So one of the things that I really like coming here are the training grounds that have been set up for us to use and operate the equipment. Run through the different scenarios that you could do with it at your work site, and just really get a good use and feel for how the equipment is supposed to work, and allow the operators to work as if they were in the field.